First open your browser. Search on Google, create Gmail account. Click first link. Click create an account, red button. Type first, last name and username. Type 8-character password, retype it for the conform. Click next button. Add your phone number or recovery Gmail address. Select your birth month, day and year. Select your gender. And click next button. Click agree. Go to youtube.com and log with your new email. Click this icon and click create a channel. Click get started. Select use custom name. Type your channel name. Click on small box. And click create button. Upload your profile picture. Tell viewer about your channel. And link your social media. Now you complete this, click save and continue. You not complete this, click set up later. Congratulations, you have fresh new YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, friends.